Welcome back to Millionaire Mindscape, where we're on a mission to transform your financial future. Today, we're diving into Chapter 2 of our wealth building series, Setting the Foundation. This chapter is all about laying the groundwork for your journey to financial independence. Let's get started. Financial literacy, the bedrock of wealth. The first step in building a solid foundation is enhancing your financial literacy. Understanding the basics of budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt is crucial. It's like learning the rules of the game before playing. Financial literacy empowers you to make informed decisions, turning your dreams of wealth into actionable plans. The art of goal setting. Your journey needs a destination. Setting clear, specific, and achievable goals gives you a target to aim for. Whether it's reaching a certain net worth, buying your dream home, or achieving financial freedom, well-defined goals act as your roadmap. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. Budgeting, your blueprint for success. Think of budgeting as creating a blueprint for your financial house. It's about understanding where your money is going and making sure it's working for you. Track your income and expenses, identify areas for savings, and allocate funds towards your investments. Budgeting is not about restriction. It's about making smart choices. The power of saving, building your financial cushion. Saving is more than just a rainy day fund. It's the foundation upon which wealth is built. Start by saving at least 20% of your income. This discipline is key to building a robust financial cushion, preparing you for investments and unforeseen expenses without derailing your wealth-building plans. Debt management, navigating financial pitfalls. Debt can be a significant obstacle on your path to wealth, but not all debt is bad. Understanding the difference between good debt, like a mortgage, and bad debt, like high-interest credit cards, is essential. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt and strategically use good debt to leverage your wealth-building efforts. Investing, growing your wealth. Investing is where the magic of compound interest comes into play. It's not just about saving money. It's about making your money work for you. Start with a solid understanding of the basics of investing and gradually explore more complex investment vehicles. Remember, the best time to start investing was yesterday. The next best time is today. Risk management, protecting your assets. Wealth building also involves protecting what you've earned. This means having the right insurance policies in place and creating an emergency fund that covers 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Risk management ensures that unexpected events don't derail your financial goals. Closing. Setting the foundation for your wealth-building journey is about more than just numbers. It's about adopting a holistic approach to your financial health. From improving your financial literacy to setting goals, budgeting, saving, managing debt, investing, and protecting your assets, each step is crucial for your success. Thank you for joining us for Chapter 2 of Crafting Your Success Story, a Guide to Wealth Building. Subscribe to Millionaire Mindscape for more insightful videos that empower you to take control of your financial future. Remember, the journey to wealth starts with a solid foundation. Let's build yours together.